Hey friends, today I'm going to share with you on how you can make your very own rose water. It's very simple. You just need two ingredients. The first one, the ingredient are rose petals. Now you can order these. These are culinary grade, or you can dry them out. We just don't want anything with chemicals in it. I hear you, Sally. And the second one ingredient is water. So follow along in this video to learn. And then after you make your rose water, what do you use it with? Isn't she cute? She's my Galentine this year. You could put your rose water in sparkling wine or sparkling water with a little twist of lemon. This one's in a crystal champagne coupe. That's this glass. Or you can serve it in the flute. Both are spectacular. The other way that you can use your rose water is in a home fragrance natural mist. It smells so good in here. It's very dry this time of year, and it adds a nice natural fragrance, and it gives you a little moisture to your home. The other is for your body. It feels so good and refreshing, and it's very calming too. Rose water is really great for the skin. And you know, I've been spraying it, so Sally smells really good right now. So friends, this is what your rose water looks like. This is natural coloring. Follow along, it's really fun. Make your own. Store it in your refrigerator and break it out whenever you want to use rose water. I hope you're inspired. I hope you're motivated. You know how I feel. Spread the love.